Hey everybody, Lois Threlkel, Ladies of Justice League.com. I have Mocha here and Amy that's coming up. Gonna be doing the acupuncture. Hey Mocha! Hey! Hi! You gonna go get acupuncture? Yes, 2 hands, 4 paws. Here we are. Very special reserved parking for 2 hands, 4 paws. Animal physical rehabilitation. All right, we're going in now. Here we go. Walk up. Lois Threlkel, Ladies of Justice League.com, and you gotta like this video. Put a comment in the section for comments, and please remember to share it, and talk to you soon. Come visit us. Ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Bye now. Talk soon.